Hey guys, and welcome to D-Tech. In this video I will show you what can you find in the Realme 6S box. As we are turning the box around, we can see that this phone will have an in-display selfie camera, it has a 19Hz smooth display, it has 30 watts flash charge, it is an awesome fast charging capability, a 4300 mAh battery, a 48 megapixel quad camera setup with ultra-wide lenses and a Helio G90T processor. As we open the box, we get a nice welcoming message: "Hey, welcome to Realme's family." We are opening that box and we can see that we can find another smaller box in there, and also the phone. After we are getting out the phone from the box, we can see the charger. This is the 30 watt fast charging capability charger, it is awesome. And what we got in here, we got the cables. Okay, so this is a pretty basic cable, but it is okay and it is working pretty well with the charger. So what can we find in this smaller yellow box? Well, we can find an important information guide and a quick guide. The important information guide contains the warranty card as well. I know that we are just at the unboxing of the phone, but I need to mention that this phone is only 650 lays. And I mention this because it also has an included free TPU case. While unboxing this phone with 19Hz ultra smooth display, a side fingerprint sensor, a Realme UI based on Android 10, a 30 watt flash charge, a Helio G90T processor and 48 megapixel quad camera setup, I just realized something. This is most probably one of my favorite black colors on a phone. In the following seconds I would like to invite you to watch this amazing back of the phone. This color is easily one of my favorites, even I need to mention that it is a plastic back. A lot of people ask me, how can you set up a phone, a Realme phone? Well, it is not a big deal because actually this phone has the Google services. So you will have nothing to worry about, you will be able to easily set up this phone. So first of all, you just need to select your region, and after that you need to accept the terms of service, connect to a Wi-Fi network. After connecting to a Wi-Fi network, you just need to hit next, next, and you will also have the chance to copy the apps and data from your old phone. It will check the info as Google is always doing, and you can sign in to your Google account if you wish. I will just skip this step for now, because I want to set up this phone as quickly as possible. After waiting a bit, we just need to set the lock screen password. I will just go through this really quick. And we can enroll our facial data as well. After this you can add a fingerprint as well, and I will obviously do this because this is one of my favorite unlocking methods. After you added the fingerprint, you just need to hit done. Obviously you will have here some more questions, but I will just skip these, so I will be as quick as possible. I just want to tell you a few more general information about this phone. It weighs around 191 grams, it has a glass front protected by Gorilla Glass 3, it has a plastic back and a plastic frame as well. It is a dual SIM phone, but it has not only 2 but 3 slots, 2 for SIM cards and 1 additional slot for microSD card. It has a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with 19Hz refresh rate, it has a Realme UI based on Android 10, and it has a G90T processor based on 12nm technology. If you want to know more about the camera of this phone, or you are interested in the first impression video, you just need to hit the links below. Thank you for watching this video, and I catch you in the next one.